Good morning students. I am back with another video. In our previous video we have done a chapter A School with a Difference. Hope you remember the story. The story was about the school and its teaching method, and who was the principal of that school? Miss Bean was the principal. And what was the aim of the school? The aim was not to teach too much subjects to children, but to make them responsible citizens and develop the quality of thoughtfulness and sympathy for poor and disabled people. And what kinds of days they have in their school? They have blind day, dumb day, deaf day, maimed day. So now today we will do question answers of that lesson. Now let's start. Chapter 4, A School with a Difference. Writer E.V. Lucas. Here are difficult words with their meaning. You can pause a video or you can take a screenshot and write in your copy. Question answers. The first question is, "Oh no," she exclaimed, "that would be cheating. But I would no idea that it was so awful to be blind." Who is the speaker here? The speaker is one bandage girl. Bandage means patti. Okay. And to whom she is talking? She is talking to the narrator. B question. Why does she say it would be cheating? She said it would be cheating because it was her blind day. So she was on her blind day. So she had to put bandage on her eyes. C. Why does the speaker feel that being blind was awful? The speaker feels that being blind was awful because you cannot see anything. It's true, na? When you will put bandage on your eyes, you cannot see anything. Question 2. Ah, she replied. Then there is something to my system after all. Who is the speaker here? Miss Beam is the speaker, and she is talking to whom? She is talking to the narrator. When did she say this? She said this when the narrator praised her teaching method. Okay, when the narrator praised her teaching method, then she said this. What does the speaker mean by my system? The speaker meant by my system is to impact education by making every child experience the struggle of the disabled person. Now long questions. What had the writer thought Miss B would look like? Was he correct? So, what do you think? Was the writer correct or wrong? He was correct. The writer has thought Miss Beam was middle-aged. She was middle-aged, kindly and understanding woman. Her hair was beginning to turn grey, okay, and had plump figure. Plump means fat figure. Yes, the writer was correct. Question 2. The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness. What did Miss Beam mean by this? Miss Beam means to say that the real aim is to make children develop their sympathy and care for disabled and poor people. Thoughtfulness make them to collaborate, practice kindness and do things for others. Okay, if they will have all kinds of day, then only they can realize the struggles and the problems which disabled persons faces daily. Then only they can get the idea by having in that path. What kinds of lessons did the children at the school have? The lessons children at the school have is to understand the difficulties faced by a disabled person and develop the importance of humanity and citizenship. What did the writer see when he looked down from the window? The writer saw a large garden, playground, a lot of jolly children, and a girl with a crutch. Why did the children in Miss Beam's school have a lame day, deaf day, and maimed day, dumb day, and a blind day? The children in Miss Beam's school have all kinds of day because it is good chance in life to understand the difficulties faced by a physically disabled people. Question 6. How did the girl with the writer knows that the girl walking with Miss Beam was Millie? How should know that the girl walking with Miss Beam was Millie? By knowing his clothes, what she is wearing, then she get the idea that she was Millie. The answer is the girl with the writer can identify Millie when she heard about her clothes, which was blue cotton skirt and a pink blouse. Question 7. What did the writer realize when he was walking with the girl on her blind day? The writer realized that the necessity of describing the surroundings to another made him more interesting. 8th question. Why for some children was not speaking more difficult than not seeing? Some children found difficult on dumb day because mouth was not bandaged. The child has to exercise a lot self-control. It is true. See, when you are on your dumb day, you your mouth is not bandaged. Okay, so you have to exercise your uh, willpower and self-control so that you do not speak anything. So now we have done all the questions. No, one question is left. 9th question. Those that have been blind already are the best. Why does the girl make this statement about the helper for the blind days? The girl made this statement about the helper because they can understand the fear of blind day and become best helper for others. Now we have done all the question answers. All the questions answers are done. You please write in your copies with the difficult meanings. So now we have done all the 3 chapters from your literature book. Chapter 1 was Mr. Nobody. Second was Tom Sawyer's Gang. Then poem we have done Whistle Away. And now the last chapter is, this 4th chapter is A School with a Difference. Write each lessons and question answers in your copy.
Now this is your homework for today. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate feeling words from the bracket. The first one is mother was dash confused, horrified, annoyed to see Payal hobbling badly on an injured foot. Here you have to choose one word which will fit in this sentence. So what will be there? Here annoyed. Annoyed will come because annoyed means angry. Mother was angry to see Payal's hobbling badly on her injured feet. Okay, confused will not come here. Horrified will also not come. Now all you have to do. Now the second exercise is underline the synonyms of the highlighted word in each pair of sentence. So you have to underline the synonyms. Synonyms means they which are in same meaning, similar meaning, you can say. So the first one is the corner restaurant, has really decreased in popularity. Attendance has diminished by the week. So here what will decrease synonyms is diminish. Okay. Now all you have to do.